Welcome to the Hobby Lobby, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. This is the latest Lego build. It is the Fender Guitar, and this is for a gift for a friend of mine who answers all my silly questions about my guitars and how to play them. It is a really tricky build, so yeah, just be aware. This is not friendly for adult fingers. One of the funniest things was having to tune each of the strings, essentially. Yeah, having to put the strings in and then twist to tighten them up and essentially tune them. So typical of Lego, just incredible detail on everything, right? I mean, you can look inside and see everything. This panel lifts off the top on the amp, and you can see circuitry inside. So typical of Lego builds, no detail left alone. So yeah, a great kit. This kit retails from Lego for 100 bucks. So this is a $100 kit. Like I said, not an easy kit by any stretch. So that was a good thing because I got my money's worth for sure building this. There was even once I had to melt a Lego to get it to fit. So yeah, not an easy build, but I'm sure my friend is going to love it. And if you're wondering what these two bags are right there, that is the guitar in black. So this is one of those kits where if you want it black and white, your guitar, well, you've got the Legos for that. I've now got extra Legos because I went with the classic red. Van Halen red. I don't know. I'm making up stuff now. Well, thanks for stopping by the hobby drawer, as I would say if I was in Boston. And hope you enjoyed this little tour of my latest Lego build. It's a great one.